In the forecast center. So, Julie, another weekend of rain. Are we getting any relief tomorrow?
Well, we are still looking at decent rain chances for tomorrow, but I don't think it will be as bad as today. And we saw the rain earlier, but the good news is we'll have a chance to dry out through this evening. We'll take a look at the radar. You can see all the rain has now pushed south of the Tampa Bay area, but here's what we saw earlier today. You can see especially in Citrus, Hernando County, we saw some very high rainfall totals. We're talking anywhere from 2 to 4 inches of rain in areas like Brooksville, Citrus County, anywhere from 1 to 3 inches. The same with Pasco County, which really does not need to see any more rain. A lot of the flooded streets we saw were in South Tampa. We only picked up about 1.5 inches of rain there, but because the ground is so saturated, what would normally just be a rainy day has caused some flooding, although we are expecting conditions to improve over the next several hours. Again, as we're looking at dry conditions. More on your rest of your weekend forecast, though, Adrian, coming up in a few minutes.
Okay, thank you, Julie.